my space this morning. I walked into low-key a dump. Like, we cannot work like this. I work better in a cleaner space. I feel like I think better, I feel better, I work better. You know if you know, you know? Anyhow, let's get to it. While you are going to watch me clean this disaster, let me share with you how I got this place. To be honest, it just kind of happened. So I was working from home and I was working for my mom's house, and I was literally taking over at first a little bit of space, and then of course business grew. So I started taking more space in the dining kitchen and then more space, and to the point where I would just get frustrated if someone was using the restroom because I had fittings, or it was just loud, or, my family was just living their lives at home. And at the same time, I'm trying to run a successful business and show myself as a professional at home. So it was just difficult. It also just didn't make sense for me to step out of a home-based business because I was not making really that much. So in my mind, I thought there's no way. Then after talking to a lady that I go to church with, she just kind of gave me some tips and what worked for her back when she was looking for a place. And so I followed the tips she gave me. Next thing you know, I was looking at locations that ideally I was like, how am I going to afford this? Anyhow, I trusted God all the way. I end up coming across this location. This location was number 2 on my list, but it ended up working out because this location does come with a waiting area. It comes with a kitchen/break room, and it also comes with free electricity. So obviously my business runs on a lot of electricity, and I run hot, so the AC will always be on. So I went ahead, I applied, I prayed. I just asked God during that time, if it's meant to be, God, make it happen. And He did. It worked out, and I moved in, and it turned out great. And now my business is growing, and I'm even thinking of moving to a bigger location and hiring staff. So that's how I got into this location, and it's small, but it's a great start. Well, now that I just finished cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work. I have some alterations to do, and I have some customs to do. So we're about to get to work. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah. God bless and take care.